For this problem, I'm supposed to find the function that has this as its derivative and that passes through this point. Now, it's not just straight up the antiderivative, because the antiderivative would have a plus c on it, and it would be any kind of a constant that would have the derivative of this f prime of x right here. But in this case, we're specifying a particular point that this capital F of x function is going to go through, so it's going to make it a very specific function. So I'm going to start off by rewriting this. I'm going to call this f prime of x is equal to 1/4 x to the negative 3/4. Same thing. I just wrote it with a negative exponent and a constant coefficient. So what I know is, I know that the function f of x is going to be equal to 1/4, then I have my placeholder, x. Now I'm going to add 1 to this, to 1 to negative 3/4 is going to make it positive 1/4 plus c. So I'm finding the antiderivative here. So this is equal to 1/4 times, now in the placeholder I'm going to put the reciprocal of my new exponent. So I'll say 4/1, or I could have just put 4. X to the 1/4 plus c. So that is equal to x to the 1/4 plus c. That's my antiderivative. Now, one thing I know, because I've been given this point right here, is I know that big F of 1 is going to equal negative 2, because I have the point 1, negative 2. In the function, it says it's in the function, so if my x is 1, my y is going to be negative 2. So if I know that, then I know that 1 to the 1/4 plus c is equal to negative 2. So I know that 1 plus c is equal to negative 2. And I know that c is equal to negative 3. So the function that I'm looking for is f of x equals x to the 1/4 minus 3. This is the specific function that has that point up there, way up there, way up there. You know where it is. The antiderivative in general form was that right there.